Now, Natyaramba shlokas. Dance will begin by reciting the shlokas. We begin the praying to Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva. When praying to Lord, the Anjali Hasta, both hands joined in Namaskar, is held above the head, in front of the forehead when it is Guru. When praying homage to scholars, Anjali should be placed at the center of the chest. Then we thank Mother Earth for her gorgeous and generous and scenic horizons. We apologize to her and seek for pardon as I hit you while dancing. Further continued by shlokas that explain the posture that a dancer must maintain. Let's all welcome them. Thank you.